We're going to do, what's it called, the fart challenge?
Yes.
And so basically we went online and there's a free fart soundboard and we are going to, I'll say a name, and if she laughs during the name she has a drink, and if she laughs during the sound effect she has a drink, and vice versa. And the first, I don't know how to do it because we're not taking shots.
We'll just drink.
The first person to finish their beer loses.
Okay.
How full is yours?
Halfway.
Oh, mine's really full. Let me get to your level. Giving you the one called Bottom Burp. Oh, that wasn't funny.
I'm giving you the one that's called Donut Cream Filler.
I can't give you the one. Let me wait till you're done. I'm gonna give you the one called Monica, You Is Stinky.
Oh my god.
Okay, this one is called Colin Powell.
I'm going to give you one that's called The Long and Winded Road. Clucking chicken.
Oh, Jesus. That's not anything like a chicken.
No. I guess it's not.
The trumpeter.
Dueling buttholes.
Ready, set, blow.
Out here. I got me too. Oh, that sounded wet.
Rocking chair. Okay. It's probably made me think of my grandma. I love it.
Okay. I'm gonna give you door jam.
Out of gas?
Yeah. Still going. That sounded wet.
Yeah.
James Brown again.
Okay.
Oh, sweet Jesus.
Oprah Winfrey.
Oh, Jesus.
That sounded normal.
Yeah. That's so
Of course,
funny.
Oprah has to be a normal farter.
Okay. This one is called BMX Lax.
That can't be normal. I'm gonna give you C flat.
Okay.
It doesn't like me. Reloading. Hold please.
Which one's that?
I don't know.
Was that Jurassic Park?
I think so. That wasn't very funny.
No.
You would think it'd be like a dinosaur fart.
Yeah, but I don't know what that was.
I don't know. That's like a normal fart. Forest dump.
Oh, I spilled it myself. Ew. Okay, I think we should leave it on this note.
Okay.
Anus madness.
Oh my, it's still going. Oh my god. It's still going. That came out of a human. I feel bad for them.
Whoever was around them.